The world is your home, Lord, our heart is your home. A heart full of love, Lord, my heart is your home. We are the children, children of Sai. 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 Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can, hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमण्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः। यात इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः। शिवा शरव्यायातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वप अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निशीर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्रयम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नम उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नम इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय चाभिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधे सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
गौरीनन्दन बालगजानन गौरीनन्दन बालगजानन गौरीनन्दन बालगजानन गजवदना गणनाथ गजानन गजवदना गणनाथ गजानन गजवदना गणनाथ गजानन विहारा पाप विदूरा धरती विहारा पाप विदूरा शरणा साई नारायण पावन चरणा साई नारायण अल्लाह तुम हो यीशु तुम हो तुम हो यीशु तुम हो अल्लाह तुम हो यीशु तुम हो तुम हो यीशु तुम हो सबके मालिक साई 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 तुम हो बुद्ध ज़ोरास्ट्र नानक तुम हो बुद्ध ज़ोरास्ट्र नानक तुम हो बुद्ध ज़ोरास्ट्र नानक तुम हो सब भक्तों के पालनहारे सब भक्तों के पालनहारे सब भक्तों के पालनहारे कलियुग अवतार साई नारायण कलियुग अवतार साई नारायण कलियुग अवतार साई नारायण कलियुग अवतार साई नारायण धरती विहारा पाप विदूरा धरती विहारा पाप विदूरा पावन चरणा साई नारायण कलियुग अवतार साई नारायण कलियुग अवतार साई नारायण प्रीति विहारा पाप विदूरा जगदीश महेशा जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा जय हे जगदीश महेशा जय जय हे कैलास वासा जगदीश महेशा मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी अखिलांडेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी अखिलांडेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी
शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी
राजीवलोचनि राजराजेश्वरी
राजीवलोचनि राजराजेश्वरी
राजीवलोचनि राजराजेश्वरी
राजीवलोचनि राजराजेश्वरी
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी
शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी
शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी
राजीवलोचनि राजराजेश्वरी
राजीवलोचनि राजराजेश्वरी
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी
भज मन सीताराम भज मन सीताराम भज मन श्री रघुराम साई राम भज मन श्री रघुराम साई राम भज मन श्री रघुराम साई राम भज मन
कृष्णा माधवा गोविंद गोपाला हे कृष्णा माधवा गोविंद गोपाला मथुरानाथा मदन गोपाला मथुरानाथा मदन गोपाला नंद मुकुंद श्याम गोपाला नंद मुकुंद श्याम गोपाला कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय हरि गोविंद कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय हरि गोविंद कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय हरि गोविंद कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय हरि गोविंद कृष्ण हरे हे कृष्णा माधवा गोविंद गोपाला मथुरानाथा मदन गोपाला नंद मुकुंद श्याम गोपाला कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय हरि गोविंद कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय हरि गोविंद कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय हरि गोविंद कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय हरि गोविंद कृष्ण हरे हे कृष्णा माधवा गोविंद गोपाला
डम 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 डमरू बजे
डम 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 डमरू बजे
डम 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 डमरू बजे
डम 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 डमरू बजे
हर भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
घन 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 घंटा बजे
घन 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 घंटा भजे
घन 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 घंटा बजे
घन 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 घंटा भजे
हर गौरीनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर गौरीनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
डम 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 डमरू बजे
डम 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 डमरू बजे
हर भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
घन 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 घंटा बजे
घन 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 घंटा बजे
हर गौरीनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर गौरीनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
डम 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 डम
डमरू बजे
अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर
अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर
अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर
अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर
यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर शिरडी साई पति साई तुम हो
यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर शिरडी साई पति साई तुम हो
यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर शिरडी साई पति साई तुम हो
यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर शिरडी साई पति साई तुम हो
गुरु नानक भी तुम हो
नानक जी तुम हो
गुरु नानक भी तुम हो
नानक जी तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
महावीर तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
राष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
यीशु पिता प्रभु 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 तुम हो
अल्लाह अकबर 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 अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर
अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर
यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर शिरडी साई पति साई तुम हो
यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर शिरडी साई पति साई
गुरु नानक भी तुम हो
नानक जी तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
राष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
यीशु पिता प्रभु तुम हो
यीशु पिता प्रभु तुम हो
अल्लाह अकबर 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 अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर
प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 श्री राम 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 पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेत राम नाम ಭವಸಮುದ್ರ ಸುಖದ ನಾವ ಏಕ ರಾಮನಾಮ. ಪರಮ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸುಖ ನಿಧಾನ ದಿವ್ಯ ರಾಮನಾಮ. निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम. माता पिता बंधु सखा सब ही राम नाम. भक्त जनर जीवन धन एक राम नाम. भक्त जनर जीवन धन एक राम नाम. राम 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 श्री राम राम राम. राम 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 श्री राम राम राम. राम 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 श्री राम राम राम.
श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तो सिद्धबोध तो कंठ विनायक सविता पावक तू सविता पावक तू ब्रह्मवस्त तू योग शक्ति तू यशोदा प्रभु तो रुद्र विष्णु तो राम कृष्ण तो रहे बटाओ तो रहे बटाओ तो वासुदेव ईश्वरो बधु चिदानंद हरि दो अद्वितीय तो अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तो आत्मलिंग शिव तो आत्मलिंग शिव तो.
असतो मा सत्तमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्यो मा अमृतं गमया.
Om Shri Sai Ram. In order to remember Bhagavan's teachings continuously and to become worthy instruments of our Divine Master, every member has to engage in sadhana, a spiritual discipline which has to be merged with his or her day-to-day life, and every member is encouraged to make his or her family as a unit for such sadhana. Thus, with the view to qualify to become a true member of the organization, the following guidelines are to be followed. Number 1, daily meditation and prayer. Number 2, group devotional singing or prayer with family members once a week. Number 3, participation in Sai spiritual education by children of the family. Number 4, participation in community service work and other programs of the organization. Number 5, regular attendance at the center's devotional meetings. Number 6, regular study of Sri Satya Sai Baba literature. Number 7, the use of soft, loving speech with everyone. Number 8, not speaking ill of others, especially in their absence. And number 9, Narayana Seva. Practice placing a ceiling on desires. Consciously and continuously strive to eliminate the tendency to waste time, money, food, and energy, and utilize the savings for service to mankind. Jai Sai Ram.
Offering my most humble pranams and prayerful salutations at the divine lotus feet of our most beloved Bhagavan. Respected elders, dearest brothers and sisters, Om Shri Sai Ram, and welcome to our national devotional program held on the Sri Satya Sai Global Council South Africa YouTube platform. The thought for today, as written in Prashantinayam on May the 17th, what is the message we must inscribe in our hearts and live by? Bhagavan lovingly and endearingly reminds us today. There are 4 modes of writing, dependent on the material on which the text is inscribed. The first is writing on the water. It is washed out even while the finger moves. The next is writing on sand. It is legible until the wind blows it onto mere flatness. The third is the inscription on rocks. It lasts for centuries, but it is too corroded by the claws of time. The inscription on steel can withstand the wasting touch of time. Have this so inscribed on your heart. The axiom that serving others is meritorious, that harming others or remaining unaffected and idle while others suffer is a sin. God is love and can be won only through the cultivation and exercise of love. He cannot be trapped by any trick. He yields grace only when his commands are followed. Commands to love all, to serve all. When you love all and serve all, you are serving yourself most. Yourself whom you love most. For God's grace envelops you then, and you are strengthened beyond all previous experience. Divine Discourse, June the 26th, 1969. Service broadens your vision, widens your awareness, deepens your compassion. The national announcements for this week. National Young Adults Musical Offering, KZN, featuring international guest speaker Dr. Shekhar Bodupalli. In commemoration of the centenary celebrations of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba and National Youth Day, the Sri Satya Sai Global Council South Africa National Young Adult Wing warmly welcomes all devotees on the 16th of June 2025 for soulful musical offering of devotion and harmony. Through melody and song, we are offering this garland of gratitude as we say thank you to Swami for his divine blessings. Let us come together in gratitude and love. Sai Uvacha Siti Siyabonga. Sai's message, we say thank you. The date is June 16, 2025 from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in KZN at the Sri Satya Sai Educare Phoenix, address 76 Allingham Road, Phoenix, with the international guest speaker being Dr. Shekhar Bodupalli. A registration link has been shared on our national announcements. For further inquiries, kindly contact Sister Rania, our National Young Adult Coordinator. National Young Adults Musical Offering Gauteng on the 16th of June 2025 from 9:30 a.m. till 12:15 p.m. The venue is the Summerwood Primary School. Address is Warren Street, Fairmont in Johannesburg. A registration link has been shared. SSE Quiz Night. Are you ready to put your Sai knowledge to the test? On the 22nd of June 2025, the times for Group 1 and 2 is from 1:30 till 3 in the afternoon, and Group 3 and 4, 15:30 till 5 in the afternoon. Join us for an exciting Sri Satya Sai spiritual education quiz hosted by the Sri Satya Sai Global Council South Africa. Dive into a fun-filled session of learning, laughter, and devotion. Registration link has been shared on our national announcements. For further information, please contact Sister Roshni, our National Education Coordinator, on 083 291 9004, or reach out to your Regional Education Coordinator. Chatsworth Region 2 Wellness Clinic on the 8th of June 2025 from 7 a.m. at the Sai Prema Ashram, 98 Powerline Street, Bayview, Chatsworth. For more information, please contact the Regional or Seva Coordinator or Center President under Chatsworth Region 2. Phoenix Region Medical Clinic on the 25th of May at 7 a.m. at the Sri Satya Sai Educare Phoenix, 76 Allingham Road, Unit 12 in Phoenix. Sri Satya Sai billboard locations. Let's capture the moment. These centenary celebrations are lighting up the skies, quite literally. Billboards honoring our beloved Bhagawan Sri Satya Sai Baba have been placed in key locations across KZN, Gauteng and the Western Cape. In KZN, it is at Argyle and Amgeni Road intersection, Nichols Square Parkade and the King Shaka International Airport. The Western Cape at the N2 Highway in Gordons Bay. In Gauteng, William Nicol Drive, now Winnie Mandela Drive, near the N1 and M5 Athlone. Have you spotted one yet? Let's make this a moment of collective joy. Take a photo of the billboard when you see it and share your special sighting with us. The Spiritual Self-Audit, the Sri Satya Sai Global Council South Africa, with the theme for the centenary year being Sadhana, the Inward Path, the journey from I to we to he. The self-audit has been shared on a national announcement for a few weeks now, and let us remember what Bhagawan Sri Satya Sai Baba says: to get rid of demonic qualities, man has to embark on self-inquiry. Scriptural scholarship is of no avail in this inquiry. The transformation must take place within. People must have to ask themselves how they are using the time that is given to them. We are excited to share this spiritual self-audit, which has been circulated on our national announcements, which is a very interactive online experience. The tool is designed to help you grow spiritually one day at a time. Please do use the spiritual self-audit that is on our national website. You can record your daily spiritual actions with just a few clicks, build a streak and watch your consistency grow, see your progress over time, and join the leaderboard for a little extra motivation and inspiration. Sri Satya Sai Global Ladies Conference. With the divine blessings of our most beloved Bhagawan Sri Satya Sai Baba, we are honored to announce the Sri Satya Sai Global Ladies, the Mahila Conference, the Visionaries of Sai Mission, which will take place on the 6th, 7th and 8th of June at Prashanti Nilayam. The first of its kind and special conference held in commemoration of the centenary celebrations of Bhagawan Sri Satya Sai Baba's Divine Advent is an opportunity for Sai sisters from across the globe to come together, reflect and rededicate themselves to his divine mission through uplifting talks, devotional sessions and interactive discussions. We aim to deepen our understanding of Swami's teachings and strengthen our commitment to selfless service and spiritual transformation. The registration has officially closed for this conference. We encourage all Sai sisters to take this golden opportunity to immerse themselves in the divine breath vibrations, be inspired by Swami's teachings, and contribute to his glorious mission. The Sri Satya Sai Global Leaders Conference Sadhana, as part of Sri Satya Sai Global Ladies Conference preparations, invite you to a daily chanting session of the 108 names of Bhagawan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Let's come together in devotion and unity every day from 7:30 p.m. till 8 p.m. on a Google Meet link that has been circulated on our national announcements. Sri Satya Sai Prema Taru. The Prema Taru program is currently running globally. EnviroCare teams across the globe are planting trees as a divine offering to Swami for this centenary birthday. We are overjoyed to announce that South Africa has been ranked the second place globally in terms of the number of trees planted. This program will run until South Africa has reached its target of 1 million trees. Let us continue to inspire, motivate and plant as many trees as we possibly can and leave this earth a better place than we found it. Wheelchair Reuse Program. The National Go Green team, would like to thank all devotees that have supported the wheelchair reuse program. With Swami's divine grace, we have now loaned out 96 wheelchairs at no cost to needy recipients. There's still a huge need for wheelchairs, as sadly the demand is becoming greater than our supply. Devotees are encouraged to continue to support this program by donating their second-hand or new wheelchairs to be loaned out, spreading Swami's divine love to those in need. Please contact your regional Go Green champion for more details. Daily Veda chanting takes place at 5 a.m. in the mornings and 6:30 p.m. in the evenings. Please do be informed there is no Veda chanting on Thursday evenings. The link has been circulated on our national announcements. Sri Sathya Sai Global Council South Africa runs a national devotional program every Sunday from 6:35 p.m. beginning with Vedam chanting. Please do join by either joining the YouTube channel or subscribing to the YouTube channel or watching our YouTube page every Sunday from 6:35. Pray for healing. Many of our brothers and sisters are in need for prayer for healing. The group is operational and helping our brothers and sisters. Any request for prayer must be forwarded to Ratan@srisatyasai.sa.org, Yatish@srisatyasai.sa.org. Gayatri Mantra chanting. All devotees to continue with chanting the Gayatri Mantra 3 times a day, and if possible, at the 6 p.m. slot, let us chant collectively 108 times. The Gayatri Mantra is a sacred chant that demonstrates the unity that underlies manifoldness in creation. It is through the recognition of this unity that we can understand multiplicity. Sri Sathya Sai Speaks, Volume 16:6, March 17th, 1983. Let the Gayatri Mantra be a part of your daily spiritual menu. Those are all the announcements for this week. The video that we will be sharing or that we will be viewing shortly is in fact part of the Oh My Sai series that runs on the Sri Sathya Sai Media Center channel, YouTube channel. And this week we will hear about how Swami rescued me from danger in the jungle by the erudite speaker. Thereafter we will offer Mangal Arati and closing prayers. We do hope and pray that your week ahead is a very blessed and spiritual week under the divine umbrella of our most beloved Bhagavan. Sai Ram.
Love is God. Live in love. Live in love.
Welcome to Omai Sai. During the government service, sometimes we need to go for field inspections. And one such inspection where I was supposed to go was in the Markapur forest area of Andhra Pradesh, and which is one of the thickest forest. That's it. So when I started off, with my journey, the entire forest was cordoned off by the CRPF Jawans because of very high Naxal infiltration in the forest, and they advised me that by evening, get back, sir. Please do not stay there, as it's normally these Naxalites, they keep moving in the nights, and they can do anything. They can either harm you, or they can kidnap you. Anything can happen. So please get back to the guest house, by evening. And I finished my inspections work inside, because normally we have all our PDS outlets, where the food, pulses, ration, everything is supplied for all the tribal people inside the forest. So I had gone to visit all these PDS outlets just to see if things are fine. And I was returning back after finishing my work, and at a particular point, the vehicle just stopped. I asked the driver what happened, and he said, he was very scared, and he said, "I'm sorry, sir, the fuel is over." We all got a shock, because I asked him how many more liters you need even for us to get back out of the forest. He said, "I need 7 liters of diesel to get back." And myself and other officers were just thinking, what is it we can do here? There's no point. We can't even walk, and go there. We need to even, walk almost about 40-50 kilometers even to come out of the forest area. And there's nothing else I could do. I only just closed my eyes and prayed, Swami, help me to come out of this situation. And I just finished my prayers to Swami just got down from the vehicle, not knowing what to do. And I just find one tribal person walking along with a can in his hand. Then he just came, and I asked him, is there any way, which is the nearest fuel station where we can? He said, you have to go a very long way. You don't get anything else. And then I asked him, what is this in the can you're carrying? And then he said, this is the diesel I am taking. And I asked him, how many liters? He said, 7 liters are there in this. And that is what exactly I need for us to come out of the forest area. And I just requested the tribal person, and he said, yes, you can use it. There's no issue. I'll go and fetch it again. And I told the driver to take it. And when I offered the money, the tribal person didn't take it. And when we took the fuel, I just thanked Bhagwan in my heart. And I reached my guest house in the night. I said, again thanked Swami, for safely getting all of us out from the forest. And that day night I slept, and in the night I had a lovely dream. Swami blessed me, gave me namaskar, gave me prasad, everything. And that's it. I thanked Swami, and I was actually got back to my office and was working. And then after a few days, I had just come to Prashanthanilayam for darshan of Swami. And I was just sitting near the car shed where we normally sit. And Swami finished this darshan line in the gent side, and he just came towards me. And the only thing he just whispered, he said, 7 liters. And my heart just melted, because we only heard Swami is omnipresent, omniscient and omnipotent. And here is Bhagavan, actually doing it for all of us, for the entire humanity. That is how Swami has been, helping people in distress situations, and, bailing all of us out from our problems in life. I think it was the most wonderful moment of experiencing Swami's divinity. And it was just an oh my sai moment for me.
जय जगदीश हरि स्वामी सत्य साई हरि भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरि जय शिवधरा श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपति आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका अवतारव ओम जय जगदीश हरि माता पिता गुरुदैवं पर्यन्तयो नीवे स्वामी पर्यन्तयो नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शरण ओम जय जगदीश हरि ओंकार रूप शिव साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबाविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबाविभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबाविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबाविभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबाविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबाविभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।